case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The case of U.S. v. Siegel, litigated in the U.S. Court of Appeals for the Second Circuit in 1983, centered on allegations of wire fraud and obstruction of justice. Leonard S. Siegel and Martin B. Abrams, executives with toy company Mego International, were implicated in a vast scheme where unrecorded cash sales of Mego's discounted or returned merchandise were conducted for self-enrichment. Siegel and Abrams were initially convicted for both wire fraud and aiding the preparation of a false corporate tax return, as well as misappropriation of funds. The court found that their actions breached fiduciary duties owed to Mego and its shareholders. Witnesses testified to the illicit cash transactions and the funds' use for bribery, leading to concurrent prison terms and fines for both defendants. Siegel and Abrams challenged their convictions, focusing on the wire fraud charges. They argued that the evidence presented was weak and that the admitted evidence of a $30,000 payment was prejudicial. These appeals brought the defendants, their allegations of fraud, and the alleged secretive cash fund back into the courtroom spotlight. After a careful review of witness testimonies, it became clear that the $30,000 payment was connected to the clandestine cash fund. Additional evidence was discovered through the Matuozzi Memorandum, serving as proof of the defendant's attempt to obstruct an ongoing investigation. Ultimately, the court upheld Siegel's and Abrams's convictions for wire fraud, noting the abundance of evidence supporting these charges. However, the court did find insufficient evidence for Abrams' obstruction of justice charge and therefore reversed his conviction on this count. The court also denied Siegel's request for a separate trial due to lack of supporting evidence. However, this stern decision was matched with words of caution to the prosecuting government, reminding them to reconsider pursuing similar cases with a shaky foundation in the future. The final ruling upheld all convictions against Siegel and Abrams except for Abrams' charge in count 16.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit LSD.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.